Good morning. Welcome back to day 3 of our ritual. Yesterday, we rescued the dramatic fiddle leaf. Today, we celebrate the icon, the Monstera Deliciosa. She isn't just a plant, she's a statement. But how do we keep those leaves massive, split, and glowing? Let's spend 3 minutes finding out. Step 1. Don't fear the roots. These brown cords are your Monstera's way of searching for a tree to climb. Instead of cutting them, we're going to gently guide them. If they are long enough, tuck them back into the soil. This allows the plant to drink more nutrients, giving it the energy it needs to produce those giant fenestrated leaves we all love. Step 2 is about light. A Monstera's leaf is a solar panel. In the wild, rain keeps them clean, but in our homes, dust acts like a curtain. Once a week, during your morning coffee, give them a gentle wipe. Not only does this make them shine, but it allows the plant to breathe and photosynthesize at 100%. A clean leaf is a growing leaf. Finally, remember that Monsteras are climbers, not trailers. Providing a stake or a moss pole mimics their natural habitat. When the stem feels secure and upright, the plant focuses its energy on size rather than survival. Secure it loosely, let it breathe, but let it reach for the light. And now, the art of watering. Monsteras like moisture, but they hate soggy feet. Check the soil every week. Stick your finger 2 inches deep. If it's dry, water. If damp, wait. And when you do water, go slow. Let it soak through, then let it drain completely. Standing water is a one-way ticket to root rot. Feeding time. During spring and summer, give your Monstera a balanced liquid fertilizer once a month. This fuels those massive leaves. But come fall and winter, ease off. The plant is resting. Your Monstera will thank you with new splits that look like nature's art. 3 minutes, and your giant is ready for the day. Remember, guide the roots, keep the leaves clean, give it something to climb, water wisely, and feed seasonally. Do this, and you'll have a statement piece that fills your space with tropical energy for years to come. See you next time on Every Day a Plant.